In the heart of Prescott's most prestigious gated community, a rare opportunity awaits. Welcome to American Ranch, where wide-open spaces meet refined Western living. Your 4,354 square foot custom ranch home features a spacious 2,297 square foot 4+ garage, including RV space, on a premier 4.2 acre equestrian lot with plenty of room for a private barn and up to 4 horses. Designed by Drake Canyon Architecture and brought to life by Beckner Building Company, this home blends timeless design with modern comfort. Grand open living spaces with stunning views of Granite Mountain, a gourmet kitchen, serene bedrooms with panoramic vistas, and expansive covered patios perfect for Arizona sunsets. And because construction hasn't begun, every detail is yours to choose. From finishes and fixtures to layout and landscaping, this is your vision, your way. In American Ranch, adventure is at your doorstep. World-class equestrian facilities, a private clubhouse, pool, tennis courts, and miles of riding and hiking trails, all surrounded by the breathtaking Granite Mountain wilderness. Live the life you've imagined. Build it now and make it truly yours.